Hi, myself Dr. Madhuchandra MK, the former president of Karnataka Psychological Association, and presently I am working as a forensic expert in Department of Police, Government of Karnataka. It's my great opportunity to sharing my experience with people through Tamil Nadu Psychological Association. Psychology is a great subject and it helps our individuals how to adjust and understand ourselves and other people in our surrounding society to lead colorful and successful life. As you know, the person is suffering with physiological or physical difficulties. He will visit a physician and he will get a proper medicines to overcome from the physical problems. But when person suffering with psychological any problems or psychological any disorders, why not he get psychological support and treatment? There is a problem. My request, please overcome from misunderstanding and misconception about psychological treatment. In this way, Tamil Nadu Psychological Association is organizing a many awareness programs systematically. So in this, the counseling is a very essential and important techniques and service provided by Tamil Nadu Psychological Association. It helps every group of people irrespective of gender, age, race, socio-economic status, and etc. Counseling will protect and safeguard every individual's life and society, and it also helps you to develop a good personality, good adjustment, positive thinking, understandability, reality and meaningful life, successful life, and successful in academic and professional, marital adjustment, good health habit, and etc. etc. And overall, it helps how person develop mental health, physical health, and spiritual health, and prevent mental illness, physical illness, and spiritual illness. As you know, the most of successful person says mental stability and mental health are very important to become a successful person. The role of self-confidence, self-awareness, self-concept, and the reality of life and many other things are more stronger in every individual's life to become a healthier. Today, the whole world suffering with COVID-19. This is a time you have to become an every aspects of life. You have to become a strong in every aspects of life, like psychological aspect, physical aspects, spiritual aspect, and social aspect, to fight against the virus and to cure from the disease. In this way, you can understand how body-mind relationship, how body influence on mind, and how mind is influenced on the body. So, if you are healthy physically, automatically it will influence your mind positively. If you are healthy mentally, it will help your body to improve physically. So in this way, the Tamil Nadu Psychological Association is providing a many different type of program to help the people, serve the people to overcome from the difficulties of life and difficulties of whatever the events which are happening in our everyday. So I request everyone, feel free to contact Tamil Nadu Psychological Association for any psychological support and suggestions. Then this is a sure, because it's my 15 years of life journey. I have solved many thousands of people suffering with psychological problems, and they had become later on they are adjusted and are successful. Then I would like to suggest to every individual, it's a service. Try to utilize and help. You will get help and you try to help the other people too. And thank you for